Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to scrape product listings from eBay using the eBay scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. We'll cover how to pull prices, seller info, shipping costs, and listing types, all without writing any code. This is especially useful for market research, price monitoring, and reseller analysis. The eBay scraper collects live listing data directly from eBay, and that includes product titles and prices, seller details and feedback scores, shipping costs and location, item condition, and listing types like buy it now, auctions, and best offer. Basically, everything you'd normally have to check manually, but at scale. So let me show you how it works. There's two ways to use this scraper. You could input your own search filters using a search query. For example, if you're searching for laptops, simply put laptop. You can include a category like electronics, computers, tablets, a condition you want, the minimum price, the maximum price, the location, and the sort order. You could also specify if you want buy it now only and free shipping only. Now, if you already have a search in mind, which you've done on eBay specifically, you could also include the URL here. For example, if I am searching for laptops as well, I could include all my filters in here, for example, auction. I want the condition to be excellent, refurbished, and to sort it by ending soonest. You can even include these filters as well. And once you've included them all, you simply copy the URL. And you paste it in here. Now remember, you can only use one of the two. So for example, if we're using the URL, we'd leave this one empty. Once you're ready, you set the maximum number of items. We'll do just 15 for this run, but you can do as many as you want. Once you're ready, you can schedule the actor to run at a specific interval or just run it once. And now we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get this dataset table. Each row represents one listing. For example, you'll get the title, the direct URL, its price, the seller info, the listing type, for example, if it's an auction, if you can buy it now, and the time left, amongst other things like the images. You can also export all of this data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file, which you can use to analyze the data more easily. So that's how the eBay scraper works. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us, and if you enjoy this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.